Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little video to say bye-bye Toshiba laptops and Toshiba PCs. So Toshiba completed in the last week its sale of its PC division. That means that no more Toshiba branded computers anymore. And it's, I always like to have competition. It's always nice to have different companies because competition means that each company will try to do its best because others can beat them and do things better. Toshiba was a little more expensive than a lot of other brands, but they also were more quality than a lot of other brands. And I've been really a fan of Toshiba laptops. Every time I purchased a new laptop, it was always a Toshiba. Always had a really good run. Always had great performance, and I still have 3 of them here, ranging from about 5 to 10, 11 years old. And they are still working, but of course they're getting older as the technology moves on. So it's one less company. So they sold the division to Sharp, and I don't know if Sharp will sell its own brand of PCs eventually or something, or I don't know what they will do with that, but it is sad to see Toshiba go away. And of course, Toshiba never was a very big sell of PCs and market share. They always were kind of pretty low, and it has to do with a lot of things. Popularity of a brand has to do with the brand itself being able to market itself, but also prices. And the average price of a PC that people want to pay is rather low. People don't, typically buy $1,000 laptops. They would try to stay in the cheap laptops. And Toshiba never was really in the cheap prices in its laptops. It was a little more expensive, so of course less people probably were purchasing that. And it was not that well known of a brand of PC necessarily for a lot of people, so they didn't know what to choose. And when you hear HP, everybody knows what HP is and that they make PCs, and well, it must be good, or my latest PC, which is a year old now, is for the first time I purchased something else than a Toshiba, because there were no more Toshibas available. Even last year I could not really find anything interesting, and I jumped into an Acer Nitro 5, which was, higher end Acer PC, and Acer has come a long way. As a tech guy 10 years ago, I would never have purchased an Acer laptop, ever. Today, I'm very happy. A year later, I'm very happy with my Nitro 5, and it is a very nice PC. I really enjoy it. Keyboard is great. Good performance. Good gaming performance also. But I will miss Toshiba, and it was one of the brands that I really truly enjoyed over time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.